everyone, this is Heather BB with the Additive Guru channel, and today we're going to go through the slicer settings and everything for the CHITUBOX that will be used for the Elegoo Mars. So first what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add the Elegoo Mars printer to your CHITUBOX slicer. So we'll go to settings, and I already have it up here, but to add it you go to add new printer. Then you'll find it in here, which is going to be the Elegoo Mars. You'll hit OK, and then it'll add it in. So we've got information about the machine, the resin you're going to use, print settings, infill, and advanced. So, and we'll go into that in another video. So here's some of our different types of resin that the profiles will be already loaded in. So we can go with the clear green, and then whenever you've selected all your settings, you'll just exit out of that and it'll have it ready for you. Now to add in a object to slice, we're going to go to open file, and then you'll find it, and so I'm just going to do a Baby Yoda because that's been pretty popular lately. So you're going to see it added in, and the red spots are where it goes out of that print area. So we can move it with there and get it centered on the plate, and you can put it on the plate along with rotating it in certain directions. Now I want to scale it so that it'll fit, and so everything's scaled and it's in there. I'm gonna change up the orientation of it just to get it a little bit better print, so that things get printed a certain way. Then you can go to your support settings, and there's a lot of different settings to change, and depending on what you want. I'm just going to go with medium ones are fine, and add them all, which is going to add the platform along with all the supports that it needs. Okay, so now that the supports have been added, you can see that both the platform and all the supports were made based on the settings that we had set up. Now these can change depending on what you want or not. You can add and remove certain supports if you don't want them there. So at this point, if you're okay with how your supports are and how your model looks, you can go back to the settings and you can hit slice. Okay, and after it finishes slicing, then you'll see all your different settings about the weight in grams, volume of resin that'll be used, and about how much it would cost, along with the time. And you can scroll through all the layers of your print, just like in any other slicer software. You either can go back to change your settings if you want to, or you'll save it. And then you'll just save it, and it'll have the CHITUBOX slicer file type, and then you'll just save it to where you want. Usually it'll go onto a USB that'll be put into the back of the Elegoo Mars printer. So you'll just save it to where you want. It'll write the file, and then you'll be able to eject your USB and put it into the Elegoo Mars to start your print. So now that you have a better idea and understanding of the slicer software that will be used with the Elegoo Mars to set up prints, you'll be able to go ahead and try this, along with change out the settings if you want to, based on some information in other documents provided and other videos. So thank you for watching, and check out some of our other videos.